Hello everyone, this presentation is on performance assessment development. My presentation is with mathematics using patterns, colors, and counting. When creating your performance assessment, you need a foundation, which starts with standards. I picked two standards. CD58, the older toddler shows an understanding of number concepts 1, 2, or more and less. And CD59, the older toddler recognizes and creates simple patterns. These were provided by Department of Early Education and Care, the state of Massachusetts. The first learning target is knowledge, which is the facts and concepts we want students to know. I want my students to know they can count items in a row. Students can create simple patterns using different pictures of smiley faces or shapes. Reasoning. Students use what they know to reason and solve problems. I want my students to understand how to count from 1 to 10. Also, know how to solve a problem within a pattern. Skill learning. Students use their knowledge and reasoning to act skillfully, which these targets must be demonstrated, observed, heard, and seen to be assessed. Students can explain how they got the number of items while counting. Students can use a chart of different patterns to demonstrate their knowledge and also create their own. Product learning target. Students use their knowledge, reasoning, and skills to create a concrete product such as charts, graphs, etc. Students can find the missing color, shape within the pattern while looking at the chart. Students can work within a team or by themselves to create their pattern. Students can explain how they came up with the pattern and show how counting can help make a pattern. Within my performance task, this holds it together. Before and during the activity, the students will provide with their job. The student's goal can identify the missing pattern item when looking at the chart of patterns. Students can create and count items after finishing the pattern. The student's role can work within a group of peers to seek out help with pattern making. The student's audience, they will be showing their patterns created and finished with peers and teachers. The student's procedure, they will be working within groups or themselves during the activity. When starting, they will sort out the pattern and find the missing pattern on the chart and show what they have found on the chart and count how many items were used to create the pattern. They create different patterns together to show a different type. The student product/performance. The student will give examples with making patterns. The student will also be able to count and describe how many they came up with. This chart the students will be using will help them learn how to do patterns and then show how they can create their own. Student-friendly rubric. This rubric gives them a friendly way to understand how and what they will be graded on and what is expected for me to see. This rubric also gives them a comfortable way to know what they need to be doing. These are my 5 keys of criteria. This helps with my rubric for grading and for my performance task, and it also continues on to the next slide. I hope you enjoyed my presentation.